our bathroom faucet wouldn't stop dripping. The annoying and constant dripping sound was driving her insane. She was also upset because she knew it was a terrible waste of water. Jane knew she needed a qualified plumber, and thankfully, she found us. Our technicians are fully trained and highly experienced. We were able to work quickly and efficiently to fix the problem without charging Jane an arm and a leg. We also guaranteed all of our work, which gave Jane complete peace of mind. Now Jane is very happy because she doesn't have to listen to the constant dripping anymore, or pay for wasted water. If you need a great plumber like Jane did, pick up the phone and call us today.